Hi Daniel and Valentina. Taumi already did a nice lighter balayage on Valentina's hair, and now I'm just gonna do a really nice straight blow dry with some shine. I'm going to use, we already used COLORVITALITY Shampoo to make the hair more blonder, and I'm going to use now ADDPOWER Thickening Spray all over to give a nice depth and fullness. That makes really nice, light but full and a lot of hair. And to add some extra shine and some humidity seal, the HAIRSTAY Anti-Humidity Seal. Yeah, enjoy a nice straight hair. Okay, like you can see, very simple, straight salon blow dry, beautiful and very beautiful color done by Taumi. Thank you very much.